In my school, being a good citizen means treating other people with respect.
A good school citizen follows the rules, caring about others.
Good school citizens take care of school property.
Good citizens do the right thing even when it's hard.
Did you ever think of your school as its own community?
That's exactly what it is.
Members of your school community include students and their families, teachers, principals, custodians, bus drivers, coaches, and aides. All of these people want their school community to be a safe and happy place to learn and grow. For that to happen, the school needs good citizens. Citizens are members of a community, like you.
Are you a good school citizen? What does it mean to be a good school citizen? That's what this program is all about.
There are 5 pillars to being a good school citizen.
A good school citizen shows respect for everyone in the school and their personal property.
That's pillar number 1. Be respectful of others and their property. Good citizens are kind and respectful to the people around them. They are mindful of other people's possessions.
What else makes a good school citizen?
A good school citizen shows respect for school property.
That's pillar number 2. Be respectful of school property. Every person in the school community must be respectful of school property. School buildings and facilities are shared, so it's important to clean up after yourself, after lunch, in the bathroom, and at recess. Don't be a litter bug and never draw graffiti.
What other qualities make a good school citizen?
I think being a good school citizen means following the rules.
That's pillar number 3. Follow school rules. Every rule, every day. All communities have rules. School rules are made for your safety and protection. When every person follows the rules, school is a safe place to learn and grow.
What's the next pillar?
A good school citizen shows good character by being honest, a good listener, and responsible.
That's pillar number 4. A good citizen shows good character.
Telling the truth, being responsible, having courage, and being dependable. All those qualities are important in a good citizen. A good citizen does all of that.
And the last pillar?
A good school citizen gives back to the community.
That's it. That's pillar number 5. Give back to the community. A good citizen gives back to the community by volunteering and by lending a helping hand or by stepping in when someone needs defending. It's about giving back to the community that has helped you.